Hi everyone, this is Geetika Vinodini. You are watching Geeta Tricks. Now we want to learn how to multiply this 99, 999 and more by using a simple logical trick. Let us take one example. 32 is multiplied with 99. By using regular method, it is very complicated and it is very time taking process. By using this logical trick, it is useful to competitive exams. The step number what we do, first of all we reduce one number from this value. 32 minus 1 equals to 31. Place 31 here and these 31 is subtract with 99. 68. This is the value for the 32 is multiplied with 99. Let us take another example. 368 into 999. What we do? First of all, we reduce one value from this 368. That is 367. This 367 is subtract with 999. What's that value? 632. And let us take another example. 4628 into 9999. What is the step number 1? First we reduce one value from this. First we reduce one number from this value 4627 and this 4627 is subtract with 9999. 5372. This is the answer for this. 4628 is multiplied with 9999. Okay, let us know how it will be used. How this logical trick will be used. Here the number of digits of this value and the number of digits of this value will be same. This logical trick will be used. Let us check. Here how many digits? 2 digits. Here how many digits? 2 digits. So our logical trick will be applied here. Here how many digits? Here 3 digits and here also 3 digits. Our trick will be applied here. Here 4 digits and here 4 digits. Our trick will be applied here. Okay? When our trick will be applied, the number of digits of this value and the number of digits of this value will be equal. At that time, our logical trick will be applied. This is very useful at competitive exams. Just for 1 second, we will done this method and give the number of digits here and here is not same. What will we do? Yes, that there is one trick. What is that? Here 6894 here and 99 here. What we do? By using regular method, it is very complicated. Then we will apply logical thinking here. Creative mind. Yes. How to solve? By using less time. Yes, 6894 into 100 minus 1. 6894 is multiplied with 100 and 6894 is subtract with value. You have some 82506. Yes. This is the trick for 99, 999 and more. Okay. Okay. Let us meet on another lecture. Bye. Thank you.